Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are all doing well by the grace of the Almighty. After a short break, I am here again with you to take a class. This is my third lecture with you. In my previous class, I discussed about the rules on right form of verb. Today, again, I will discuss the rules. Basically, it will be a revision class, and at the same time, we will practice some exercises. I will discuss the rules in short so that you can have you can memorize the rules once again. It will help you a lot. Before I start my lecture, I would like to say some of you, not some, many of you told me in my previous lecture to take the class in Bangla. Maybe it is difficult for you to understand English, but I would like to let you know that English classes must be taken in English. Anyway, as you have requested me to take the class in the Bangla, I will speak Bengali in my lecture to let you understand the lecture. Now let's proceed. Right form of verb, revision on rules, and practice. At the very beginning, we should know the different forms of verb. Verb is a very important element in English grammar. Without correct form of verb, we won't be able to write correct English. To write an essay, to write paragraph, to write anything, we need to know correct grammar. Without correct grammar, we won't be able to write English well. At the very beginning, we have to remember, we have to know the forms of verb. Let's see. Number one, main or base form, we can call it V1. The example, eat, write. Eat, write. We can call this base form of verb. Past form, we will call it V2. Ate, wrote. Past participle, V3. Eaten, written. Then comes V1 plus S or ES. The example, he eats, he writes. S or ES is added if the subject is of third person singular number. Then comes gerund. Verb 1 plus ing makes gerund. Example, closing, finishing. Infinite form, that is 2 plus verb 1. To go, to eat. Let us have some short technique to memorize the rules of right form of verb. Formula 1 is on V1, that is base form of verb. In Formula 1, we see that the present indefinite tense, example, he goes to school. Present indefinite tense, he goes to school. Here, the verb form is base form. Future indefinite tense, when a sentence expresses future indefinite tense, the base form, I shall play football. I shall play football. If modal auxiliary verbs are used before a main verb, the main verb becomes base form. You must obey your teacher. Students, I hope you know what modal auxiliary verbs are. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, must. All these are called modal auxiliary verb. You should obey your teacher. In this way, we can also say, you cannot go there. If a sentence expresses universal truth, the verb form will be of base form. The sun rises in the east. If a sentence expresses habitual fact, the verb form will be of base form, that is V1. They go to gym every day. If there is had better in a sentence, the verb form will be of base form. You had better go there. You had better go there. যখন কোনো সেন্টেন্সে তোমরা had better দেখবে, তারপরে যে ভার্বটা হবে সেটা সব সময় প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স বা V1 হবে। Would rather, I would rather starve than beg. Would rather যখন থাকবে তারপরে যে ভার্বটা থাকবে সেটা সবসময় প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স বা V1 হবে। Lest, you must study hard lest you fail. Infinitive, I like to take coffee. To take. To is infinitive, take is V1. To do verb, I hope you know what to do. To do verbs are do, does, did. When there is no auxiliary verb in a sentence, we borrow to-do verbs. These to-do verbs are especially used in making sentence negative and interrogative. The examples: do you know him? Does he play well? He didn't go to school yesterday. Look here, all the verbs are present indefinite tense, that is base form. Now, formula 2, that is verb 2, past indefinite tense. The example of past indefinite tense is any form of verb that is in past form. He wrote a letter. যখন অতীতকালের কোনো একটা আমরা কাজ বুঝাই যেটা অতীতে হয়েছিল তখন ভার্বের পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স ইউজ হয়। He wrote a letter. Write এর past tense wrote, eat এর past tense ate, etc. Mention of past time: ago, long since, before, once upon a time. If in any sentence we get these words, the verb form will be of past indefinite or V2. Long ago there was a king. এখানে কখনোই is হবে না। He left home last night. যেহেতু এখানে last night আছে, leave এর past tense left হবে। Again, focus here. If we get this word in a sentence, it is time, it is high time, wish, fancy. The verb form will be of past indefinite tense. It is high time. You studied well. Studied. I fancy I turned a trifle pale. I wish I were a bird. I wish I could help him. সবসময় এই জায়গাগুলোতে past indefinite tense হবে। Now, let us come to formula 3. Formula 3 is on past participle form of verb, that is V3. Past participle form is used in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The example: I have done the work. Here, done is the past participle form of do. Do, did, done. Past perfect tense. He had given the mobile. Had given, past perfect tense. And the form is past participle, that is V3. Future perfect. They will have finished the work. They will have finished the work. Having learned computer, I will go to UK. মনে রাখবে ছেলেরা, having এর পরে সবসময় past participle form বসে, that is V3. Having learned computer, I will go to UK. Having completed my work, I went to bed. Passive voice. সবসময় passive voice এ ভার্বের past participle form হয়। Football is played by them. The bird is killed by him. To be. It is to be done as soon as possible. Again, if we get these words in a sentence, the verb will be of past participle form. Just now, already, yet, ever, lately, recently. I have taken my meal just now. I have already received the mail. You see here, if you get just now in a sentence, the verb form will be past participle. If you get already in a sentence, the verb form will be past participle. Again, if in a sentence we get got, the verb form will be past participle. I got the work done. I got the work done. That's all for Formula 3. Now let's shift to Formula 4. Formula 4 is on verb 1 plus ing, that is continuous form. Present continuous tense, you know. He is going to school. Sorry, he is going to university. কন্টিনিউয়াস ফর্মে সাধারণত ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি হয়। কখন কখন আইএনজি হবে সেটা আমরা একটু দেখব। পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স আই স, এখানে একটা হিম হবে, আই স হিম প্লেইং ফুটবল। ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স আই শ্যাল বি রিডিং দ্য বুক। প্রিপোজিশন, আফটার প্রিপোজিশন the verb form will be of continuous form. He is capable of solving the problem. He is capable of solving the problem. Solving is verb 1 plus ing. If there is can or cannot help or could not help in a sentence, the verb form will be of ing. She cannot help laughing. I couldn't help helping. While. If we get while, the verb before a verb, the verb form will be of V1 plus ing. While playing in the field, a man called him. While playing in the field, a man called him. এখানে called হবে, একটু প্রিন্টিং মিস্টেক হয়ে গেছে। Would you mind opening the door? Would you mind এর পরে সব সময় opening হবে, মনে রাখবে, ভার্বের সাথে ing হবে। Would you mind bringing me a glass of water? Then comes gerund. Gerund সব মানেই হলো verb plus ing. Swimming is a good exercise. Present participle, I saw him playing. I saw him playing. Gerund is used as subject. Just remember, gerund and present participle both are verb plus ing. And remember here, if in a sentence there are two verbs, the second verbs become the present participle. So I have discussed the rules in short. Now we will have practice on the base form of verb. Very simple practice, very basic practice. এগুলো ছোটকালে তোমরা সব করেছো, আবার একটু আমরা ঝালাই করে নিচ্ছি। The number of students be on the increase. The number of students, খেয়াল করো ছেলেরা, এখানে স্টুডেন্টসটা প্লুরাল ফর্মে আছে, বি মানে হচ্ছে অক্সিলিয়ারি ভার্ব, am is are was were। তোমরা এই স্টুডেন্টস দেখে কিন্তু পরীক্ষার খাতায় আমরা দেখেছি এটাকে প্লুরাল ফর্ম করে ফেলো। The number of students are on the increase. That is totally mistake. That is a wrong answer. The answer will be is. The number of students is on the increase. এই সাবজেক্টের উপর এটা ডিপেন্ড করেছে, সাবজেক্ট এখানে সিঙ্গুলার। The people of Bangladesh be very poor. এখানে people হচ্ছে প্লুরাল ফর্ম, so be মানে are. The people of Bangladesh are very poor. The pious be respected by all. Pious, pious মানে হলো ধার্মিক। pious ধার্মিকরা সবসময় respected. রেসপেক্ট করা মানে কি? সম্মান করা। আচ্ছা, তাহলে এখানে হবে the pious are respected by all. Our college remain closed during the Ramadan. এটা habitual fact. আমরা জানি if a sentence expresses habitual fact, the verb form becomes present indefinite tense. S or es is added with the verb. As the subject is here, third person singular, we will have to add s here. Our college remains closed during the Ramadan. Remains. The answer is remains. Number 5, I not like tea. See here, not like, that means we have to turn the sentence into negative, but we don't have any auxiliary verb or helping verb here, so we have to borrow to do verbs. I not like, I do not like, and after do, does, did, the base form of verb is used. Why he looks so happy? Why he looks so happy? This is an interrogative sentence, and again we have to borrow do, does, did here. If we want to make it an indefinite tense, we will write down the answer in this way. Why does he look so happy? Why does he look so happy? As he is third person singular, that is why does is used. So these 6 are some examples on our exercises for your better understanding on base form of verb. Now exercise on V2, that is past form. She arrived last night. Mention of time. Mention of past time. যখন কোনো বাক্যে অতীত সময়ের নির্দেশ থাকবে, সেই ভার্বটা হবে অতীত কালের, past form V2. She arrived. Answer is arrived. Once upon a time there lived a king. Once upon a time, যখন একটা বাক্যে once upon a time থাকবে, once there থাকবে, তখন ভার্বটা past tense হবে, lived. Live এর past tense lived. It is time, high time. It is time or it is high time you study hard. যখন এই সেন্টেন্স গুলো it is time or high time থাকবে, এটা তোমরা past indefinite করবে, এবং ইচ্ছা করলে তোমরা should study দিয়েও করতে পারো। It is time, it is high time you studied hard, অথবা you should study hard. Formerly he be the principal. Formerly মানে হলো পূর্বে, be মানে am, is, or was, were. Formerly he was the principal of this college. He walks as if he be hero. As if এর আগের অংশ যদি প্রেজেন্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স হয়, পরের অংশ পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট হবে। তা সবসময় খেয়াল রাখবে, as if এর পরে যদি be থাকে সেটা were হয়ে যাবে। He were a hero. Now we will have a practice on past participle form. Focus on the exercise. He talked as if he to be mad. In this exercise, we will have both V2 and V3. That means past form and past participle form. He talked as if he to be. Auxiliary verb. As if এর আগের অংশ যদি past indefinite থাকে, পরের অংশ past perfect tense হবে। He talked as if he had been mad. He acted as if অথবা as though, দুটো একই রুল। He know everything. Past form থাকলে as if এবং as though এর আগের অংশ, পরের অংশটা past perfect tense হবে। Had known. Had known. Tense হয়েছে past perfect tense, আর ভার্বের বসেছে past participle form. Number 3, the patient died before the doctor came. তোমরা নিশ্চয়ই জানো, অনেক ছোটকাল থেকে পড়ে এসেছো, বিফোর আর আফটার একটা রুল আছে পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সের। বিফোর এর আগের অংশ সবসময় পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স হবে, পরের অংশ পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট হবে। আর আফটার থাকলে আফটার এর আগের অংশ পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট হবে, আফটার এর পরের অংশ পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স হবে। The patient had died before the doctor came. Had you told me earlier, I bring the car. Had you told me earlier, I bring the car. এটা কন্ডিশনাল। তুমি যদি আমাকে আগে বলতে, আমি গাড়িটা নিয়ে আসতাম। আচ্ছা, কন্ডিশনালের প্রথম অংশ যদি পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট হয়, পরের অংশ পারফেক্ট কন্ডিশনাল হবে could have, would have, might have আর ভার্বের past participle form. Answer will be I could have, I would have brought the car. Had I the wings of a bird, I fly. Focus here. Had I the wings of a bird? Students, তোমরা যেটা করো এই সেন্টেন্সটা দেখে পরীক্ষার খাতায় we mark some mistakes in your exam copy. What you do, you think it as a past perfect tense. It is the past perfect tense, not the past indefinite tense. Had I the wings of a bird? If I had, আমার যদি থাকতো. If I had, okay, had I the wings of a bird? এটা past indefinite tense, পরের অংশ হবে past conditional. I would fly. Answer হবে would fly. খেয়াল রেখো সবাই। If ও that, if এবং ও that ব্যাপারটা একই। If I be a king, were a king, past indefinite. It is many years since I met. Since এর আগের অংশ যদি present indefinite হয়, পরের অংশ past indefinite হবে। Since I met. 3 years passed since my brother. Since এর আগের অংশ যদি past indefinite হয়, পরের অংশ past perfect tense হবে। Since my brother had left হবে। এখানে had left for Bangkok. So try to remember this and try to practice. This is very important. V2 and V3. Sometimes these rules becomes confusion. When you solve questions from a passage, it becomes a bit confusion for you. It creates confusion, so you should be very careful while answering the questions in your examination. Now exercise on verb 1 plus ing. কোথায় কোথায় ing বসে আমরা already we have discussed in the rules. Now we will do the exercise. The book is worth read. যদি word থাকে কোনো সেন্টেন্সে আমাদের এটা ing হয়ে যাবে। The book is worth reading. I look forward to receiving. I was used to living. I was used to living. খেয়াল করো স্টুডেন্টস, I used to থাকলে কিন্তু এখানে I used to live হতো, আর was আছে যেহেতু I was used to living. Would you mind bringing me a glass of water? Would you mind opening the door? Would you mind helping me? Number 5, we prefer. Prefer এর পরে সবসময় দেখো we prefer writing to speaking. শুরুতে যদি ভার্ব থাকে সেটা gerund হয়ে যাবে। Closing the door, I went to bed. Closing. So these are the exercises on verb plus ing. Those were detached exercises. Now we will do 2 practices from board questions. Dear students, I would like to tell you that in your examination, you will have a question on a passage form. The form will be in a passage. What you have to do, you will have to write down the answers only. You need not to write down the questions in your exam paper. You just put the numbers and write down the answers. But before you write down the answers, I would like to tell you to read the passage first. Read the passage once, twice, thrice, and try to understand the tense of the passage. Try to understand what the writer has said in the passage, and then answer the questions. Now I will read out the passage for you, and at the same time I will tell you the answer. The answer is already given here, but I want you to try yourself. Read the text and fill in the gaps with the correct form of verbs as per subject and context. This is from Borishal Board. It came in 2017 and 2018, in both the year. It is a very important passage. Air be an important element of the environment. আমাদের পরিবেশের একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ উপাদান হচ্ছে বাতাস. This is a universal truth. Air is, but it is constantly being polluted in many ways. Being এর পরে সবসময় past participle form হয়. It is constantly being polluted in many ways. We make fire to cook food and do many works. এখানে answer do হবে, কারণ to cook food, to do many works. আমরা জানি to infinity এর পরে সবসময় present indefinite tense হয়। This fire emits smoke which contaminate air. এটা universal truth. This fire emits smoke which contaminates. ফায়ারটা হচ্ছে থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার, এস বাই এস যোগ হচ্ছে contaminate এর সাথে। Vehicles pollute air to a great extent by burn fuel. By is a preposition here, so we all know that after preposition ing is added to the verb by burning fuel. Air pollution also happen when coal and oil dash burn. Air pollution also happens when coal and oil, এটা plural, are burnt. এটা past participle passive form হয়ে গেছে। When coal and oil are burnt. Coal and oil কে পোড়ানো হয়। And factories can be, mills and factories can be, could be, should be পরে সবসময় past participle form বসবে। Mills and factories can be held responsible for this. It is high time we, আমরা জানি high time এর পরে সবসময় past indefinite tense বসবে। We checked air pollution. Otherwise, এখানে একটা otherwise আছে, otherwise we suffer a lot. এটা একটা ভবিষ্যৎকাল বোঝাচ্ছে, তা না হলে আমরা অনেক সাফার করব। আদারওয়াইজ উই উইল সাফার এ লট। দেখো খুব যে কঠিন তা না, এই ধরনের কোয়েশ্চেনই তোমরা পরীক্ষায় পাবে। Let's turn to the next exercise. This is the answer of the first practice. Now, a practice from Chittagong Board 2016. Let's read the passage. To err is human. Err মানে নিশ্চয়ই জানো, মানুষ মাত্রই ভুল হয়। If a man commits crime anytime and repents truly for his misdeed, he may forgive. যদি কোনো মানুষ একটা ক্রাইম করে, দোষ করে, এবং সেটার জন্য সে ক্ষমা চায়, সত্যিকার অর্থে দুঃখ প্রকাশ করে, তাকে ফরগিভ করা হয়, ক্ষমা করে দেয়া হয়। He may be forgiven. He may be forgiven, passive form. But the man who no give up the wrong, এটা নেগেটিভ করতে হবে। The man এখানে থার্ড পারসন, who does not give up, আনসার হবে, আমরা এর আগে পড়েছি যখন অক্সিলারি ভার্ব থাকে না, আমরা ডু ভার্ব, টু ডু ভার্বকে আমরা বড় করি, তাহলে এটাকে নেগেটিভ করতে বলে the man who doesn't give up the wrong suffers truly, surely. Suffers surely, এখানে suffers হতে পারে, will suffer হতে পারে। In the long run he will take to the land of death. In the long run he will be taken, এটাও প্যাসিভ ফর্ম, তাকে নেওয়া হবে, he will be taken to the land of death. The sailor be a wrongdoer in his long journey. Sailor, তোমরা নাবিকের গল্পটা হয়তো অনেকে শুনেছো, তিনি ছিলেন একজন দোষী ব্যক্তি। He was a wrongdoer. He committed a crime killing a seabird called albatross. He committed a crime killing. কেন পরেরটা killing হলো? কারণ in one sentence we have got two verbs, committed and kill. The next verb will be of continuous form or verb plus ing, which was called passive albatross. That crime ultimately bring bad luck to them. যেহেতু ঘটনাটা past ফর্মের, হ্যাঁ, এটা অনেক আগে ঘটেছিল, তো সে যে ক্রাইমটা করেছিল একটা পাখি মেরে, সেটা তার দুর্দশা ডেকে আনলো, তার ভাগ্যের দুর্দশা ডেকে আনলো পাখিটাকে মারার পর। দ্য ক্রাইম আলটিমেটলি ব্রিং এর পাস্ট টেন্স হবে ব্রট। তোমরা যদি প্রথমে প্যাসেজটা পড়ে নাও তাহলে বুঝবে যে এটা কোন টেন্সটা মেনশন করেছে। That crime ultimately brought bad luck to them. The ship was left in the sea. The sun shone over their head. The wind dropped down. এখানে একটা drop আছে, drop হবে dropped down, বাতাস পড়ে গেল। It was a great disaster. This is a very beautiful story of an old sailor who had to face disaster in his life because he killed a bird named or called albatross. So dear students, this is all about right form of verb and its practices. You will get questions in your exam in this way. I want you all to solve questions, board questions from 2016 to 2019 from all boards from text paper. If you solve all these questions, it will be of great help to you. And at the same time, try to read the rules from the text. I have discussed my level best, and I hope it will help you a lot. Now, before I finish my lecture, I would like to give you the lists of paragraphs and composition so that you can prepare all these paragraphs and composition at home and uh, go through all these things, because you are staying at home and this is the right time to prepare all these things. Now, uh, let's go to the lists of paragraphs. এই paragraphs গুলো তোমরা পড়বে. Number 1, importance of learning English, uses and abuses of mobile phone and Facebook. এটা দুটো আলাদা. Globalization, keeping good health, Rohingya refugee problems, Bangladeshi culture, social values, Bangabandhu satellite, food adulteration. Paragraphs and composition: empowerment of women, digital Bangladesh, environment pollution, students and social service, your childhood memories, deforestation, uses and abuses of internet, your pastime, female education, visiting historical places of interest. So that's all, dear students. I hope my classes have helped you a lot, and if you are sincere, it will be of great help. And I wish you all the best. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.